ஆல் இண்டியா ரேடியோ செய்திக் கதம்பம். ஆயிரத்து 1971 பாகிஸ்தானுடன் நடந்த போரில் இந்தியா வெற்றிவாகை சூடிய தினம் நாளை கொண்டாடப்படுகிறது. இதனையொட்டி சென்னையில் உள்ள போர் நினைவுச் சின்னத்தில் முப்படை வீரர்களுக்கு வீர வணக்கம் செலுத்துவது உள்ளிட்ட நிகழ்ச்சிகள் நாளை நடைபெறும். இதுகுறித்த செய்தியாளர்கள் சந்திப்பில் உரையாற்றினார் லெப்டினன்ட் ஜெனரல் ஏ. அருண். அவர் பேசுகையில்,
1971ல இப்போ நம்ம தேசமே அப்போ இட் வாஸ் a very new young nation, about 25 years old. We were faced with a huge predicament. பாகிஸ்தான் அப்போ ரெண்டு பார்ட்ல இருந்தது. What is now Pakistan was West Pakistan. What is now Bangladesh was East Pakistan. நிறைய நாளா for many weeks and months there were a lot of problems and atrocities happening in what is now Bangladesh. In the atrocities nala there was lot of movement of refugees from there into our country that was creating its own problems. Finally in March sometime 24th or 25th of March 1971, East Pakistan Constituent Assembly declared secession from Pakistan, that we are to be a separate country. 24 hours kulla our small country, new country India recognized that secession, and that created a problem. Idana one the atrocities increased and the refugee movement also increased and war clouds were on the horizon. People knew there was going to be a war. So ellarum prepare panniranga. On the 3rd of December, the Pakistan Air Force commenced with their aerial bombardment and rocket attacks on our airfield number Western India border la. That started the war. 13 naal 13 days a bloody war was fought, both on the west of India and on the east of India. Complete mobilization took place. Wherever army, navy and air force people were stationed, everybody was put into the war effort. 13 naal our armed forces completely decimated the might of the Pakistan armed forces. On the 13th day after the war started, exactly 16th December, exact time venunaka 1621 அப்படின்னா சாயங்காலம் 4:21 p.m. on 16th of December 1971 the ceasefire was signed. இது ஒரு unconditional ceasefire. இது military historyலயே after World War II the size of the ceasefire is unparalleled. Total of about 93,000 people. And the 93,000 la about 55,000 were army, some were navy, some were paramilitary, some were civilians and some were family members. It is not that ava kai kaliya irundhathu, they didn't have ammunition, weapons irukilla, ammunition, the gundu irukilla, rocket irukilla, ella irundhathu. They had ships, aircrafts, tanks, artillery, rockets, weapon, pistol, all of them, but they did not have the will to fight. Ena நம்ம தேசம் which comprised soldiers from all over the country, a superior fighting machine, they just surrendered. And the picture of that surrender is a historic picture. எல்லா இடத்துலயும் நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். We will endeavor to show you this picture tomorrow during the wreath-laying ceremony and thereafter. This kind of a victory had never been won modern humankind oda history la. But this victory came at a huge price. A lot of our citizens died while fighting for our freedom, for our stature as a country. Thousands of people were injured. Adukku mela a few more thousands sustained normal injuries. Families were broken. There are people who had children after they had died. When they went to war, their wives were, expecting a child. They died in the war. I have had the unique privilege of going to the marriage of the daughter of one of my unit's jawans who died in 1971. That poor girl never saw her father. And the mari, they would be thousands. I have gone to one. Nanga army la we tend to adopt these families and look after them like our own families. But that's a separate story. Our country is celebrating the golden jubilee of the war with Pakistan and the victory. We are also celebrating the creation of a country. In history la it has never happened that one country has fought a war to create another country. So in the year 2021 is the golden jubilee year. So last year இதே நாளைக்கு on 16th of December, that is tomorrow, there was a big function at the war memorial in Delhi. And the war memorial la நம்ம honorable Union Home Minister, Shri Amit Shah ji, annikku and the book la edinaru. Allow me to read out verbatim from this quote. He said, on this day in 1971, the Indian Army, with its indomitable courage and valor, made a historic change on the world map, protecting the universal values of human freedom. This gallantry, inscribed with golden letters in history, will continue to make every Indian proud. Happy Vijay Divas. 16th December anniki, நம்ம honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji 4 torch ஏத்தினார். 4 big torches. அந்த Olympicsல torch எடுப்பார். 4 big torches. Those 4 torches went in the 4 cardinal directions. Why did it go in the cardinal directions? இப்போ torch எந்தெந்த ஊருக்கு போச்சோ அந்தந்த ஊர்ல the story of our brave hearts who fought the 1971 war, the story of their courage, of their sacrifice was conveyed to everybody in the country. Unfortunately, COVID-nala we could not do the big functions that we wanted to, but we still had very big functions. Number Chennai liye we had 2 very very big functions. One the honorable governor was the presiding officer. Innonla the honorable chief minister Thiru Muka Stalin avargal was the presiding officer. Ella edathiliyum we tried to spread the message. We honored the veterans who took part in the war. Particularly we honored the Veer Nari nu solluvom. Veer Nari naka widows. Their husbands died in 1971. Number Chennai liye there are 4 or 5 such Veer Naris. They were all very young women when their husbands died. Some of them had very small children. Those children are today graduates and postgraduates from the IITs. So, nalaki these torches are going back in Delhi and there is a big ceremony in Delhi. But number Chennai, what will we do? We'll have a small ceremony. What is the function that is to happen tomorrow? First of all, Kalambra, there is a formal wreath laying ceremony. That is a ceremonial wreath laying ceremony. Adila all members of the 3 services will lay wreath. Senior most Chennai la irukkrava. The Honorable Chief Minister Thiru Muka Stalin has been very generous and graceful in accepting our invitation to come and lay a wreath. He will lay a wreath. Adukku munadi the veterans would have already laid a wreath. Normally in the function oda war memorial nanga thirupum close pannidvom. It's there at the beginning of that beach road opposite the port. So from tomorrow after the function is over, or time solradhukku from 10 o'clock on the 16th of December till 5 o'clock in the evening, that is 5 p.m. on the 19th of December, Sunday, Nanga Memorial Tarandu Vekkiporam. Now, why are we doing this? The intention of doing this is to allow all the Chennaites, the citizens of Chennai, the residents of Chennai, to please come to the memorial with their families, with their children, with their parents, with their friends. Please let us show our children what a war memorial looks like. We can also take some time. Today on social media, 1971, Google Pannaka, we will get enough stories. So let us encourage our children to read up on any story of 71 and come and see how a war memorial looks like. Ipo நம்ம normally church இல்லனா கோவில் எங்கயான place of worship போனாக்கா we offer something. So for all of us to make some offering, we are requesting, we are allowing, and we are felicitating and facilitating. அங்க கொஞ்சம் பூ இருக்கும், and there will be somebody who will sell candles like you do in the church. So we are encouraging citizens tomorrow to come and lay some flowers in memory of somebody who has passed away, or the unknown soldier, or anybody else, or offer flowers. You can come with your families. In the 1971 war, over the most iconic photograph is of General Niazi signing the ceasefire agreement. Ninga ellarum paathirpele, but I don't know if our children have seen it. So we will create a big rollout picture of that ceasefire ceremony. You are encouraged to please take a photograph with that ceasefire document signature photograph. There will also be a message board there for everybody to offer their either condolences or messages to the armed forces of the country. In the event Anautu, we will collate all these messages and probably share it with you.
இத்துடன் இன்றைய செய்திக் கதம்பம் நிறைவு பெறுகிறது.